Rheumatoid arthritis is a very serious problem across the world. Majority of the people are suffering from this issue and they have no option except the use of traditional allopathic medicine like steroids, like NSAID and other drugs. So, is it curable or not? If you really want to know that is it curable or not and how homeopathy is doing very well job in treatment of rheumatoid arthritis, please watch this video completely till the end. It's me, Dr. Atul Kumar Singh from Niramaya Homeopathy. In this session, I will also introduce my yoga expert who are capable to managing this disease, and they are providing the online yoga classes for the rheumatoid arthritis, and also our nutrition specialist who are just giving a good suggestion regarding your diet and regimen. So please keep watching this video till the end. Hopefully it will give you a very new information regarding alternative mode of medicine, and it will give you a more authentic information how homeopathy is doing well job or excellent job in treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. And in next coming future, whenever I will have any testimony of these patients in terms of their reports, just like CRP, anti-CCP, RA factor, then I will update time to time before the treatment, after the treatment. Keep watch this video. Worldwide, approximately 0.5 to 0.56% of the population is suffering from rheumatoid arthritis. It is an autoimmune disorder, and this disease is spread uniformly across the world. So the most important question is this: is rheumatoid arthritis is curable? And if it is curable, then can we modulate the immune responses which is causing a hazard for our joints can be managed? The third important thing, what precaution can we take to avoid the pain and stiffness and other complications going parallel with the rheumatoid arthritis? The fourth one is really yoga is doing a very important role in recovery of rheumatoid arthritis, or to avoid complication, or to avoid its consequences of this disease? The next point is, what is the role of alternative medicine? Especially if I am a homeopathic doctor, then in terms of homeopathy, how homeopathy deals with this disease. Today in this session, I will tell you everything about rheumatoid arthritis, its curability, its probability, and how homeopathically we treat and also we manage the rheumatoid arthritis. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe to us. If you like this video, then surely share to the others and also like to this. Thank you very much. First of all, we will like to discuss what the traditional medicine do or adopt the procedure in treatment of the rheumatoid arthritis. This is very important to know because we also have to evaluate the medicine effect and also their complication also. So the first medicine which is the traditional medicine used is the NSAIDs, non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs. A longer duration of the intake of NSAID will surely hazard you. The second, steroids. The third one, conventional DMARD, that means disease modified anti-rheumatic drugs. The fourth one is the biological agents, and the fifth one is targeted synthetics. If you are talking about the surgery, when there is a severe complication, then this is the synovectomy, tendon repairing, joint fusion, and total joint replacement. So these are the common procedures which most of the allopath do in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis, but damn sure every drug have a little bit side effect. Someone has less, someone has more side effect. So if universally these procedures are adopted by the allopathic doctors, then the first question again come to the point, is it curable? No. It is managed throughout the life. Rheumatoid arthritis is not curable by the traditional allopathic drugs. Okay, so what can we do? Most common sign and symptom, usually patient feel there is a, because of the local inflammation, there is a pain, tenderness, stiffness, swelling and other consequences also. There is a severe stiffness also felt like clock jaw. Okay, so how can you manage this disease, or how can you treat this disease? If you are talking about the causes behind this, so there are there is idiopathic causes. In majority of the cases we cannot identify that what are the exact causes behind this rheumatoid arthritis. So anything can trigger this. If there is a severe immune responses provoked and which ultimately damage to your joint, this phenomenon happen and it settle in the form of rheumatoid arthritis. The main important thing, by the use of drugs you can just do two more things. I am telling in terms of the traditional medicine system. The one thing that gives symptomatic relief to the patient, just like pain, stiffness and other, and the another thing is just to a little bit slow down the progress of disease. But if you are talking about homeopathy, yoga and also about the nutrition, I am using three traditional medicine system that I am told the integrated medicine system for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis, and believe me, it is really very effective. Why? It have no side effect. It can be used safely in the longer duration of the treatment. It have capability to give you symptomatic relief. It also have capability to just stop or just slow down the progress of disease, and also if there is not severe deformity in your joint, then recovery is little bit more easy and the complication can be reduced down. That's why homeopathy is doing very excellent job in treatment of the rheumatoid arthritis. In most of the time I prefer my patient to adopt yoga. I also conduct my online yoga classes for those persons who are suffering for the rheumatoid arthritis. My yoga is precise for the particular disease. That means if someone is suffering for the rheumatoid arthritis, then it is precise for that rheumatoid arthritis. It started from the Om chanting, Sushma Vyayam, and there are the multiple of the modification with yoga, which is really kept you in a normal harmony condition, just to give relief in your pain and other discomfort, and also slow down the progress of this disease. It is very important in recovery of also. If you are talking about the balanced nutrition, then our nutrition team provide the balanced nutrition. They also suggest about how and what diet pattern they have to follow and what procedure they have to adopt just for recovery, just to avoid the further damage of that particular joint. And the very important thing is what homeopathy do. Just homeopathy is an internal medicine and it have capability to modulate our immune responses. So this is a very deeper science. In homeopathy there is not a single fixed medicine for a particular rheumatoid arthritis, but yes, this symptomatology indicate. Just like imagine if someone is suffering from more stiffness in comparison to the pain, and if someone suffering from more swelling, little stiffness, more pain, then these two cases the medicine will be the different one. So patient to patient, the homeopathic medicine or the indicated homeopathic medicine vary. So patient symptomatology is very important for us if we are just giving a proper relief or so-called recovery to the patient, permanent recovery to the patient for the rheumatoid arthritis. We start proceeding for the causes. We always trace in the past history that what the causes behind that, or what was the phenomenon happen in the past history which provoked your immune responses that was responsible for the rheumatoid arthritis. So it is very important that we have to find out the causative factor behind this disease phenomenon. If we find out, then treatment become more easier. And most of the cases we cannot find the causative factor because patient is very confused. It is long suffering, so he have not a clear-cut idea that why this trigger on. The second thing is we have to calculate the patient mental general, physical general, particular general modality. Just I am trying to elaborate these all the symptoms in your words. If someone is suffering from a severe stiffness and pain, and with this suffering he have a specific mental symptom, just like he is very letharginous, he is very dull, he have no desire to live, he have no desire to live, or very depressed, medicine will be the different. If he is feeling very anger, very irritable and restless, then medicine will be changed. So according to the medicine, according to the mental condition, according to the typology of the body, according to the general and particular symptoms, medicine will be changed. But in the previous, I have already told you that I will send you, in the previously I have told you that I will tell you two medicine which can you use parallel with the allopathic treatment. And here I am saying you, the first medicine is the calcarea flow in the lower potency. Calcarea flow 6x in 4 pills morning, noon, evening will give you a significant relief after the 2 months of intake, regular intake of this medicine. And the second medicine, if you are feeling a much pain, much discomfort and very severe pain, it is causing, it is making you in condition restless, anguish and other things also, the second medicine is magnesia phosphoricum, same potency 6x. So if you start this medicine, then surely it will give you a more relief in the longer duration of treatment. And the very important thing, these are the safe remedy which are capable to retain your previous condition or in a normal condition. Constitution medicine may be vary person to person. So if you also wants to need that you want to proper recovery for the rheumatoid arthritis, then surely visit to a nearby homeopathic doctor, an expert homeopathic doctor. Believe me, he is capable to give you proper relief. Just give your complete case history, give time to him, and after the final analysis, he will prescribe you a particular medicine which is capable to give you significant relief without any side effect. Diet and regimen are playing very crucial role in this. No citrus fruit, no cold food, no cold drink, and other also thing. So our dietitian will also explain you that how you can manage your rheumatoid arthritis. Thank you very much for this video, and in next coming time I will update the patient testimony time to time in the comparison of CRP, RA factor, anti-CCP that can confirm that yes, rheumatoid arthritis is curable by homeopathy. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.